Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing QGIS so your code can run reliably. Enable the Python console and the processing provider. Once done, set your project CRS to avoid reprojection surprises. Make sure the QGIS Python version matches any external libraries you need. Then open the Python console or the integrated script editor and create a new Py file. You'll import QGIS, core and QGIS. Utils, initialize the QGIS application context if required, and reference the active project and map layers as the very first actionable steps. Now you access and manipulate data. Fetch the layer with iface, active layer or QGIS project. Instance, map layers by name 0 because explicit references prevent accidental edits. Once you have the layer, create a QGIS feature request or use layer. Get features to iterate, use QGIS feature. Set attributes or set geometry for changes. Start an edit session with layer. Start editing. Apply changes in batches for performance and commit with layer. Commit changes, so QGIS updates indexes and the undo status. To finish, execute the script from the console or install it as a processing script so others can run it with the UI. Export outputs to a new layer or save edits, and if you need reuse, wrap the logic into a plugin using the plugin builder. Make sure to call iface. Map canvas. Refresh to update visuals. If something goes wrong, check the Python path, PyQt and PyQGIS version compatibility, enable debug logging, and inspect the QGIS log messages panel to locate the failing line and fix imports or API usage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.